there. Up next. Been sitting. Check the glass, carb, battery wiring, put the blade back on deck. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have to just start it up. Yeah, let me get this thing going. You see it. Get that John Dirt done. Got the belt ready from there. Now it's time to get down to putting a new belt on. Time to get this thing cutting. New belt's installed. Pulleys are all good. Old belt is worn out. Time to get some grass cut down. And we're down to get going. Complete. I take probably 3 because I take 3 more.